Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best pickleball paddles in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Hemlock Pickleball Paddles, USAPA approved for competitive and recreational play. Elevate your game with Hemlock Pickleball Paddles, engineered for precision, power, and performance. USAPA approved, these paddles meet the highest standards for tournament play while remaining accessible for beginners and seasoned athletes alike. Crafted with a cutting-edge T700 raw carbon fiber surface, Hemlock paddles deliver exceptional spin, control, and durability. The textured face allows players to generate high spin with ease, enhancing ball placement and shot variety. Whether you're dinking at the net or driving from the baseline, this paddle adapts to your style. At the heart of the paddle lies a 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core, designed to absorb impact and reduce vibration for consistent feel and control. The thicker core offers a softer touch without sacrificing power, making it ideal for players seeking both finesse and strength in their game. Lightweight and balanced, the Hemlock Pickleball Paddle ensures extended play without fatigue. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for better maneuverability and control. Whether you're an advanced competitor or just starting out, Hemlock paddles offer the technology and performance to take your pickleball experience to the next level. Play smarter. Play stronger. Choose Hemlock. Are you looking to use this for an online store listing or promotional material? Number 2. Elevate your game with this premium USAPA-approved pickleball paddle set, designed for both beginners and seasoned players. Rafted with a durable fiberglass surface, these paddles offer the perfect balance of power and control, helping you master every serve, volley, and smash with precision. The lightweight construction reduces arm fatigue, allowing for longer play sessions without sacrificing performance. This complete pickleball set includes high-quality paddles that feature a polypropylene honeycomb core, a popular choice among players for its excellent responsiveness and quiet play. The textured fiberglass face ensures enhanced ball spin and accuracy, making every shot count. Whether you're competing in a tournament or enjoying a casual game at the park, these paddles deliver professional-grade results. Designed for men and women, the comfortable, non-slip grips provide superior handling, even during intense rallies. With stylish design and rugged construction, this set makes a great gift for any pickleball enthusiast. Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned pro, this fiberglass pickleball paddle set is your ticket to better performance and more fun on the court. Get ready to play your best game yet with this reliable, USAPA-approved set, crafted for champions of all levels. Number 3. Upgrade your game with the Jonai Pickleball Paddle Set, available in a set of 4 or 2 high-performance rackets complete with balls and a convenient carrying bag. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this USAPA-approved pickleball set offers exceptional value and performance. Each paddle features a fiberglass face with a polymer honeycomb core, providing a perfect balance of power and control. The lightweight yet durable design ensures a comfortable grip and fast swing speed, helping you react quickly and stay agile on the court. The paddles are also equipped with anti-slip cushion handles for extended play without discomfort. This complete set includes indoor and outdoor pickleballs that are designed to meet official standards, offering versatility for any playing environment. The included carrying bag keeps everything organized and portable, making it easy to bring your game anywhere, from the local courts to vacation getaways. Whether you're training, competing, or just having fun with family and friends, the Jonai Pickleball Set delivers quality, convenience, and long-lasting durability. Perfect as a gift or a personal upgrade, this set has everything you need to step onto the court with confidence. Ready to rally? Grab your set and get in the game. Number 4. CRBN 1 and CRBN 2 Pickleball Paddle, Carbon Fiber Paddle with Honeycomb Polycore. Experience the perfect blend of power and control with the CRBN 1 and CRBN 2 Pickleball Paddles. Designed for players who demand high performance and precision, These paddles feature a premium carbon fiber face that delivers exceptional responsiveness and spin. Whether you're at the net or deep in the court, you'll enjoy consistent performance and feel with every shot. At the core, a durable honeycomb polypropylene poly structure ensures a strong, lightweight paddle that absorbs vibration and offers excellent touch. The CRBN 1 comes in a slightly longer shape for added reach and leverage, while the CRBN 2 offers a more traditional paddle profile for fast hand speed and control. Both designs are engineered to optimize your game, providing the edge you need in competitive play. USAP approved and built for serious pickleball athletes, these paddles are not just about looks. They're crafted for long-lasting durability and tournament-level play. The CRBN paddles are finished with a comfortable, tacky grip that keeps you in control even during intense rallies. Whether you're a seasoned competitor or an ambitious beginner, the CRBN 1 and CRBN 2 paddles offer the ultimate combination of technology, craftsmanship, and performance. Dominate the court with CRBN. Number 5. Jula Pro 4 Pickleball Paddle Tech Flex Power Series. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the Jula Pro 4 Pickleball Paddle. Designed for players who demand both precision and power, this high-performance paddle features an elongated shape that enhances reach and boosts spin potential. Engineered with Jula's cutting-edge Tech Flex Power surface, it delivers explosive energy transfer for commanding shots while maintaining exceptional control. At the heart of the paddle lies the Propulsion core, a responsive internal structure that maximizes speed off the face and offers superior touch at the net. Whether you're ripping baseline drives or executing delicate drop shots, the Pro 4 delivers consistent feel and quick response time. Its balanced design makes it ideal for advanced players looking to dominate on both offense and defense. The Jula Pro 4 is part of the Select Perseus series, reflecting Jula's commitment to elite-level innovation. Crafted with input from top professional players, it's built to perform under pressure, offering unmatched durability and competitive edge. If you're seeking a paddle that combines dynamic power, refined control, and pro-level performance, the Jula Pro 4 is your ultimate matchday weapon. Feel the difference. Play with precision. Win with Jula.